it's me, Erica, and so today I'm going to be unboxing this Nendoroid of Megumi Tadokoro from Food Wars slash Shokugeki no Soma, which was released around in June. This Nendoroid at least was released around in June, and Megumi is one of my favorite characters and is my best girl in Food Wars. Not Erina, it is Megumi. And it's not also just because I cosplay her, but she's just really a cute individual, and I really like how she was like the first Nendoroid for the series for Shokugeki no Soma, and I bought her off of Tokyo Otaku Mode. And if you watch my previous unboxings of Nendoroids and other figures, I mostly get my figures from Tokyo Otaku Mode just because I really like the aspect of Tom points and free shipping, and they sell authentic merchandise, whether it be figures or other supplies such as character goods. They have it, and if you haven't ordered from them before, there is a link in the description for 5% off your first order, whatever that might be. And yeah, now going into the unboxing of Megumi. Here is the box. She is number 968, and she comes with a lot of facial expressions. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be having like a fade where I showcase the box, but after that I will go to unboxing her right now. So here is Megumi out of the box. She came out of the Nendoroid box that are a lot smaller now. If you buy older Nendoroids, their box is a little bigger, but now they switched over to the smaller boxes, so everything's more compact. So the other pieces are... Oops! The other pieces are actually attached... Sorry, Megumi. I haven't done unboxing in so long that it's... I guess I'll have the blooper in here, but prior to that, Megumi does come with 3 faces. Her normal face, her kind of determined face, and her scared face. She also comes with the monkfish and a lot of other food accessories, which is really nice. If you buy her Nendoroid and you have other Nendoroids, they could also be cooking, because I'm pretty sure you can switch her body out for another one and they can have like a cooking scene if you're into that. Even if you don't like Food Wars, at least you have some cooking supplies. I hope they make more of them. And don't worry, I will be showing a closer look of everything in just a bit. Everything's going haywire right now. Where did her half go? Despite all the things that are happening right now, I haven't done unboxings in so long, so forgive me for the lots of bloopers that are gonna come out from here. But she is packaged really well, and she has a really cute face too. So I am gonna take her out, and yeah, she's really cute. And now I am gonna do a roll through of every pose that she is there to offer. previously I did show all the faces and items that Megumi does come with in kind of a montage thing before this, and all in all, I really do like this figure. It's really cute and it pays a really great homage to a great character in Shokugeki no Soma. However, I do have some problems with this Nendoroid, but I will go for the positives, or kind of like the neutrals first. Megumi does actually have a bigger base than usual to compensate for the monkfish, so it has a bigger base for that, so that it's not too close to Megumi. It does look like she's cutting it, but just keep that in mind. If you do have risers and you push your Nendoroids on those risers to display, Megumi cannot be displayed there just because she'll be too big with her base. There's another thing that I had. This is kind of neutral, but the kind of sukiyaki pot that she comes with, she doesn't necessarily hold it, and I looked all over the box to double check that I am not missing something, but I think this item in particular she has just as an extra, but for that one you would put on like a table if you are displaying your Nendoroids in a particular kind of like food setting manner, which I thought was nice if you are into that. It's just I was kind of confused because it was nowhere on the box of her holding it, so I'm guessing that's why that's what this particular item is used for. Now, my biggest complaint about this Nendoroid is her hair. Her hair looks amazing. However, her hair also makes it so that it's harder to switch a lot of the Nendoroid pieces out, and a lot of the times I couldn't do some of the posings correctly as shown in the box because of her hair. A lot of the times the arms would be too stuck to her body and kind of sandwiched between her hair, which I didn't want to like force it into because then the blue paint would transfer onto the white coat. So there are some poses where I had a difficult time actually doing them because of Megumi's hair. And in a lot of Nendoroids, I often just need to replace the arms in order to get the arms off. However, for Megumi, I had to take her whole head off and then put in her arms, or else it was going to get stuck in between her hair. So that is my major gripe with this Nendoroid. In general, it is a really nice Nendoroid. It comes with a lot of food items that I don't think a lot of other Nendoroids have. It's kind of a pain to display her, but if you are going to be changing like her specific items out frequently. But for the most part, I think I'm going to keep her in this one because the monkfish is a really great prop. And yeah, so with that, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and kind of review of the Megumi Tadokoro Nendoroid, and I will place her with my Shokugeki no Soma volume. And with that, thank you so much you guys for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye!